Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone or head unit has GPS enabled, maps installed, and at least 20% battery. Mount the device where you can glance without moving your head. Secure the bracket or suction cup now so it won't vibrate. Open your navigation app and type the destination or pick a saved place. Once entered, choose route preferences like fastest or avoid tolls. This immediate setup gets you moving and prevents mid-drive distractions. So finish these steps before you shift into drive. You now refine the route. Check live traffic, estimated time, and preview 1 to 3 alternates so you can pick the best trade-off between time and distance. Make sure voice guidance volume and lane assist prompts are set loud enough to hear over road noise. Enable off-route rerouting so the app recovers quickly if you miss a turn. If your car supports it, pair via Bluetooth or connect to the vehicle's GPS/OBD so speed and compass calibrate. Adjust map orientation, north up or heading up, based on what you drive following voice prompts and occasional quick glances at lane guidance. Avoid prolonged map viewing. When you arrive, end navigation, save your parking spot, and optionally share ETA with someone. If the GPS drifts, drops signal, or shows wrong lanes, act fast. Pull over safely, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to reset the radio, then relaunch the app. Make sure the device's GPS antenna isn't blocked, and confirm maps are updated. These steps fix most positioning and route errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.